Hello guys, my name is Alex Kimani, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share. So today we will be talking about the Dotchain and why you need to take advantage of the Dotchain unlimited coin giveaways before January 2025. Dear Dotchain pioneers, the time for open mainnet is getting closer every day and the time is running out. The Dotchain core team has added a touch on the Dotchain app for members to get more reward. It is called Daily Task tab. Within the Daily Task, you can play games from Binance, new P2E games, you can follow and join groups, do the social media. Do the P2E games, you can earn some coins from them. Through all this, you get 100 plus tokens and the P2E tokens, play to earn tokens, that is, from the Binance ecosystem. The Dotchain app is energy efficient, just like Pi. Remember, you will also get tokens from the Dotchain P2E games in plenty, as well as the mining session of the 1.5 per hour, not to mention the referral system, which gives you another bonus. The Dotchain coins harvesting season is here, guys. Harvest as many coins as possible. Remember, it is free, you do not invest in anything, so don't think that it is a scam when you are not investing anything. The Dotchain has been there for some time now, and it is here to reward people who like gaming. As from this stage, which is beta stage, the only games that we play, they are just the basic games, but after open mainnet there will be some advanced games with some advanced algorithm. There is no risk involved in some minutes. Dotchain uses the Dotchain technology, which is the fastest blockchain. There are hundreds of projects out there, but Dotchain stands out as a unique project. The coin is designed for gaming only. That's a promising feature. The current games are in beta version. Thus, after open mainnet, we will see advanced version with inbuilt currencies. Don't be left out by this life-changing opportunity. The coin is for free with zero investment. Join the team and win big. In case of any queries, just leave your question by commenting below and I will answer ASAP. I will leave my referral link below the description. Thanks guys for watching once again.